Artificial intelligence begins as a collection of scattered, lifeless parts. But when you snap those pieces together correctly, you build a system that processes information. Today, we are going to build a fully interactive, working chatbot from absolute scratch using Python. This terminal window shows what your final code will look like in just a few minutes. It will ask for a name, react to their day, and answer questions accurately. You don't need to download or configure any complicated software to do this. Open up a free, browser-based Python editor like Replit so we can get started immediately. Using a browser-based tool allows you to focus immediately on the syntax and logical structures that form the core of a Python script. Step 1 is initiating our bot. We need to write a simple line of code that prompts the user by asking, "What is your name?" This diagram shows how a computer handles input by creating a variable, a physical container. We drop the user's name inside and label it name. A print command then displays a greeting, pulling that name right back out of the box onto the screen. Click Run to test your script. You will see the terminal ask for your name, wait for you to type it, and then reply with a customized greeting. This sequence, capturing input, assigning it to a variable, and calling it back, is a central mechanic used to manage data in almost every interactive program. A script is highly limited unless it can make decisions. To build that capability, write a new line of code asking the user how their day is going. This flowchart illustrates an if-else statement. It creates a logical crossroads. The code evaluates the user's answer, checks for specific keywords like happy or sad, and then chooses a path to deliver a specific response based on those words. This split screen shows a common trap for beginners. On the left, the code generates an error. On the right, it functions perfectly. The only difference is the mandatory colon at the end of the logic statement. Python requires this exact punctuation to know a rule is being established. You also need to watch your indentation. Python relies strictly on spacing to understand which specific responses belong to which logical choices under that colon. Let's test the logic. Run the code and type a sad word. The bot will recognize the keyword and successfully trigger the programmed comforting response. By applying logical branching, we take a static script and upgrade it into an interactive program capable of reacting to human input. Right now, our bot is reactive, but it lacks specific knowledge. We fix this by creating a function that houses a Python dictionary. This chart shows how a dictionary operates as a direct lookup table. You are explicitly mapping a trigger word on the left, like weather, to a pre-written answer on the right. Implementing a dictionary structure allows the code to mimic basic intelligence by rapidly referencing your explicit, predefined set of rules to answer questions. There is a flaw in our script. After answering a single question, the program stops. To keep the script running continuously, we wrap the entire structure in a while loop. Cautionary: you have to manage this carefully. If you trigger an infinite loop and fail to program an explicit exit strategy, the computer will attempt to run the code endlessly, which quickly overloads and freezes the system. To prevent a system crash, instruct the code to safely break the loop whenever the user types a specific command, like quit. Run the script again. You can now ask multiple different questions in a row, and the loop will ensure the bot responds continuously without stopping. Encouraging: you have now engineered a fully operational, continuously running rule-based chatbot from scratch. Now it's time to intentionally test its limits. Ask the bot a new sixth question that we did not include in the dictionary. The script fails. Rule-based bots break because they only know the exact information explicitly typed out by the programmer. Machine learning shifts this approach. Instead of a developer manually typing every possible answer, an AI model is trained on massive datasets to identify linguistic patterns. This allows it to predict a relevant response to questions it has never seen before. To transition from these manual rules to building systems that learn autonomously, we have outlined a 7-day AI mastery blueprint in the description. The upcoming curriculum utilizes Pandas to handle massive datasets and natural language processing to help the machine comprehend sentiment, upgrading this basic script into genuinely intelligent software. Mastering syntax and simple logic is step 1. The developers who build the next generation of software will be the ones who know how to teach machines to think.